Hey, this will be a video chart on IMKP. Had some questions and requests coming on this one, so I thought I'd get things updated here from a technical perspective. Nice looking chart here. The first thing that really sticks out to me is this little dynamic right down here. This purple line is the 50-day simple moving average. This orange line is the 200-day simple moving average, and you can see that the purple is crossing up through the orange, and within the world of charts, that is known as the golden cross. A lot of people get it wrong, though. They say that once the golden cross happens, that means the price is going to explode, which is misleading because it is a lagging indicator, meaning it's being formed by things that have already happened in the past. Remember, moving average is just simply telling us what's already happened. They're averages; it's already taken place. So yes, it's a good thing, but by no means is it some sort of leading indicator. It is a lagging indicator. So the golden cross is happening, which is good, but it's more so a confirmation of a nice move upwards, not implying that some massive move is going to happen. Now, certainly a big move could continue to happen, but it would have nothing to do with this because, again, averages are in the past, so it's a lagging indicator, but a nice little confirmation nonetheless. So that's what sticks out to me, and that's definitely a good thing. Shows that the bulls really have started to take grip of this chart, and the key is just for them to maintain that grip, and everything else will kind of take care of itself after that. So the question then becomes, how do they maintain the grip? Well, the easiest way to monitor that and measure that is simply by keeping an eye on the support levels. As long as support levels hold, then the bulls remain in charge. So that's a great segue into talking about some support levels here. So the first one that sticks out is simply this previous high, which was up here at 0009. So this will be our first level of support to keep an eye on. The price did drop below it intraday today, but we're looking at the daily chart, so we care about where the close is, and you can see that it closed back up here at 001. That'll be the first level of support. The next is going to be down here. You can see just a bunch of previous highs there where it was a resistance at 0006. So this will be the next area of support. I'll make this line a little thicker because it is carrying a little bit more importance. But at the end of the day, the level that you want to see continue to hold is going to be the 50-day simple moving average. As long as this continues to slope upwards, and that's going to mean that the overall trend is up, and then over time, eventually, as the 50-day continues to slope upwards, that's going to cause the orange line, the 200-day simple moving average, to curl upwards and go bullish too. So I know nobody would want to see it drop down there, but again, from the overall charting perspective, as long as the 50-day simple moving average holds valued at 0004, then the chart is still technically in a bullish uptrend. In terms of resistances, we have a couple. The first one up here at 0.0014, the next up here at 0.0015, and then after these ones, if I scrunch up the chart, you can see that as far as I'm concerned, basically goes into a blue sky breakout. So those are going to be the two levels of resistance, and with that, again, if those are broken, basically a blue sky breakout, which is definitely a good thing. So that's where the chart currently stands. Great to see this volume happen. If the price does go sideways or pull back a little bit more, the less volume the better. Whereas if it decides to head back upwards, that's where you want to see the more volume the better. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together on alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what your strategy is going forward. One more time, this was MIKP. Thanks for listening.